Somebody wants to run the air conditioner in it. Right. Yeah, man. So we basically, it's almost got his engine in it. Right. So freaking like almost like a Demon engine, and then just a 4.5 whip running on just the street duty work. Right. But yeah, 20 pounds around there, and E85.
So what's the difference between the two? You said it's almost a Demon engine, or? Yeah,
I mean it's got just got a built bottom end on it. Okay. You know, like the Demons have. They got a little bit more reinforced bottom on it, and then it's just got upgraded ported heads in it for Dytech. It's got a few more things, but it doesn't have a Demon camshaft. Just running the Hellcat cam in it. So stock cam. And just 20 pounds, 21 pounds. And this is the street setup, man. This is what drives in every day going to work and stuff like that. Sweet. Got 17s we'll throw on tomorrow, and hopefully, get like 170. I wanted to go like way faster than that, so hopefully we get the 170 tomorrow, and then figure out how to make it go faster.
Do you quarter mile?
Yeah, I ran it once with this setup at the quarter mile. I ran like a 993. Right. And hoping it's got more in it. It had a slow 60 foot, so. Right. Actually learning about tire combos from this guy. He's got welds and 17 welds, just really good setup. Plus he's got like spone rear suspension, all adjustable, and this thing is tight. Drove it all the way out here from West Palm too, so.
How far of a drive is that?
It's like 4 hours. Nice. So just
can't beat it, right?
Yeah, as long as you're in Florida, you take the turnpike, you get 85 anywhere, so it's the only savior we have.